Hello students, we are learning lesson number 6 life processes and this is video 4 of the lesson. Today we are going to discuss about the events of photosynthesis. Which events occur during photosynthesis? Means what happens, what are the chemical reactions which takes place during photosynthesis? This is on page number 96 of your textbook. You can refer the textbook too. The events of photosynthesis are, first of all, when the sun rays falls on the leaves, then the chlorophyll which is present in the leaves, it absorbs the sunlight. The chlorophyll will absorb the sunlight. And this sunlight will react with the water. That means in presence of sunlight, the water molecule will split into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. This is called photolysis of water. It will split into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. That means the light energy is converted into chemical energy. It is giving the chemicals hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So during photosynthesis, the oxygen is released from the leaves in this way. This hydrogen is used in the third step. Oxygen is released in the atmosphere and hydrogen is used up in the photosynthesis reaction. How it is used up? The carbon dioxide which has been absorbed by the leaves, hydrogen reacts with the carbon dioxide. It gets added to the carbon dioxide gas. That means it reduces the carbon dioxide gas. Reduction of the carbon dioxide gas takes place by the addition of hydrogen, because in any chemical reaction wherever the hydrogen is added, it is called reduction reaction. So carbon dioxide gets reduced and it produces C6H12O6. That means along with the carbon and oxygen, the hydrogen is getting added and C6H12O6 is produced. That is called carbohydrate. So ultimately the carbohydrate is produced. So these are the steps in events of photosynthesis. So first of all, the chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight. This sunlight reacts with the water. It splits the water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Oxygen is released in the atmosphere and hydrogen reacts with the carbon dioxide gas, reduces it and forms carbohydrate. And this is the reaction of photosynthesis. That is, carbon dioxide reacts with water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight and forms carbohydrate, and oxygen is released and water is also released. Because of this, when the water gets released, the air surrounding the trees feels more cooler, and this is also one of the part of transpiration. Now this is the answer how you are going to write. Which events occur during photosynthesis? First of all, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. That is the first event. Second is conversion of light energy to chemical energy. And splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Third, last process is reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. That is, carbon dioxide with hydrogen forms carbohydrate. These are the events. Now the next topic of the same page, page number 96, same page, it is one activity is given, activity 6.1. This activity shows that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis is not possible. Now for this, it may be asked in the question form like, explain with an activity or with an experiment that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. And for this, the answer you have to write from page number 96, activity 6.1. Let us see the activity. Here what you have to do, we have to take a variegated leaves. We take a potted plant with variegated leaves. Variegated leaves means it has spotted leaves. Somewhere white and somewhere green spots are there. That is spotted leaves. Somewhere the green spots are there. This part contains chlorophyll, and wherever white color is there, then the chlorophyll is absent in that part. So this potted plant we have to keep in dark room for 3 days so that it gets discharged. All the carbohydrates get used up. After that, this plant we have to keep in the sunlight for 6 hours. Now when it is kept in the sunlight, then it will perform photosynthesis in the presence of chlorophyll and carbohydrate will be present in the leaves. Now this leaf, we have to mark the green areas of the leaf in a notebook. You have to draw it and mark wherever the green is there, wherever the white or the any other color is there. After that, after tracing the presence of the green and white spots in a drawing paper, then you take the leaf and put it in a boiling water for few minutes. After putting in the boiling water, take out the leaf and keep the leaf in a water bath containing alcohol. Water bath means in a boiling water, where in a container the water is boiling, there keep one small container containing alcohol on the boiling water and put the leaves inside the alcohol, so that the alcohol is getting boiled because of the temperature of the water. That is called water bath. Then when you take out the leaf from the alcohol, the leaf becomes colorless. Color of the leaf is now colorless, it is transparent white. Now this leaf we have to immerse in the dilute solution of iodine. Iodine is a brown color solution. Dip it inside the iodine, take out the leaf and then rinse off the color. Now again when we rinse off the brown color of the iodine, at that time these spots, according to these spots, wherever the green color was present, there it will be blue, and wherever white or yellow color was there, the blue color is not present. And we all know that if the carbohydrate is present in anything and if we add iodine solution, then the areas where the carbohydrate is present, it turns blue. Iodine turns the carbohydrate containing food blue. So wherever the chlorophyll is there, that is green coloration is there, that means the chlorophyll is present, and iodine is turning the areas blue. From green it becomes blue. This shows that wherever the chlorophyll is present, there only the photosynthesis is present. If the chlorophyll is not there, photosynthesis is not possible. This is your conclusion, and this activity you have to write in experiment form with the aim. What will be the aim? Aim will be to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis, and then the whole method is there, whole method, and the observation, color of the leaf, that this was the first observation. Then when we take it in the outside the alcohol, the leaf becomes transparent white, and when we rinse it, when we immerse it in the iodine solution, the green colored part will turn blue. These are the observations, and in the last, the conclusion will be the presence of starch is possible whenever chlorophyll is present. If the chlorophyll is not present, photosynthesis is not possible. That is your conclusion. Whatever is your aim, that is your conclusion. So for today this all. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye.